Pen Desire welcomes you. Let's take a look at Rorito JOTTEK Gel. This pen cost about rupees 40. Let's see what the pack says. India's first retractable gel pen, and then futuristic dry gel ink used in this pen, says the pack. Sleek and stylish design. The pen itself, and we have seen the same design in some other named JOTTEK pens from Rorito. The same design but with a rubberized body material used in this pen. The colors look matte finish, bit rubberized. They say the gel with a retractable mechanism at a price of rupees 40. The refill, the gel refill. Let's see how it performs. So that they promise that it is a futuristic gel ink which dries quickly, and we are seeing that many pens at rupees 50 having the liquid ink are selling like cakes in pen market. But let us see what this pen is going to make the difference there with its performance. The first impression is slim for myself, and this is the first experience having this pen. The initial experience, it is slim but bit scratchy at the beginning, but after some writing I feel it is good to write, and the feel we get is the ballpoint pen writing with this kind of pen, but now with a gel ink. It is a different experience for me after writing many JOTTEK or used many JOTTEK pens, and with a gel ink now it is a bit different. And now we have to see the grip. It's a bit bulky because it is a bit bulky pen while compared to regular JOTTEK pens. The click gel mechanism, they say it is first, but we don't know when this pen launched. But the main thing I found in this pen is the back impression. Fantastic ink used here so that it doesn't make much back impression while compared with the liquid ink pens. And this is the very positive thing we can take from this pen, the futuristic gel ink. But it does not dries quickly as their competitors, but the main thing here is the back impression. It dries quickly so that it doesn't make any back impression. Altogether a nice pen from Rorito. Thanks for watching.